Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. We were on chapter number 2, the skeletal system. I have explained the chapter and the chapter was completed. Now, come to quick recall. First point, cells of the same kind form tissues, tissues form organs, and organ form organ systems. Various organ systems work in coordination for the smooth functioning of the body. So, cell make the tissues, tissues make the organ, and organ form the organ system. And the organ system work in coordination with each other for the smooth functioning of the body. The bones in the body form the skeleton. That is the framework of the body. Skeleton gives shape to the body, protect delicate internal organs, and helps in the movement. Next point, the skull, backbone, rib cage, and limbs are the main parts of skeleton. Two bones are held together by ligaments. Joints can be movable or immovable. Immovable joints are of four kinds. It is movable joints. Okay, this is not immovable. It is movable joints because immovable joint is present in skull only, and movable joints are of four kinds: hinge joint, pivot, ball and socket joint, and gliding joint. And it is important to exercise regularly and eat food rich in calcium because calcium is very important for bones. So to eat food rich in calcium makes our bones healthy and strong. Okay, now come to the new words. These words you have to read out and learn. Okay, now next come to exercises. Question number 1. Food rich in calcium is C. Number 1 is dal, number 2 bread, number 3 dairy products, and number 4 all of them. So food rich in calcium is dairy product. The upper bone of the leg is called femur, humerus, backbone, rib cage. The answer is femur. The number of vertebrae that make the spinal cord. Okay, C part is left. The bone of the upper arm is called. The bone of the upper arm, that is humerus. The number of vertebrae that make the spinal cord are, it is 33. Okay, now move to the next part, part E. The system that controls all the functions of the body is nervous system. Now come to question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Dash is the longest and strongest bone in the body. It is femur. Femur, femur. The dash pairs of ribs are called floating ribs. It is the two pair of ribs are called floating ribs. Number C. The dash joint is found in elbow and knee. Which joint is present in elbow and knee? That is hinge joint. Hinge, hinge joint. D. The skull protects the brain. E. The dash is the only movable part of the skull. It is the lower jaw. LOWER, lower, JAW, jaw. The dash pair of ribs form the rib cage. How many ribs form the rib cage? That is 12 pairs. Okay. Now question number 3. Match the following. Okay. Now ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint match with the shoulder. Okay. So ball and socket joint we write down here A. Gliding joint. Gliding joint is present in wrist. So it is B. C. Rib cage. Rib cage protect the heart. So it is C. Number D, backbone. Backbone related to the spinal cord. E, circulatory system, that is related to the blood vessels, and nervous system is related to brain, so it is F. Okay, so this is how we have completed the exercises, fill-ups, matching, and take the correct answers. Now question number 4, answer the following questions briefly, that we will do in next session. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.